Hi guys, today we will learn about double final consonants. What is double final consonants? For example, this word consists of 3 consonants and 1 vowel. The 2 consonants below are double final consonants. Wow, it looks very complicated, but don't worry, I will explain them one by one. These 3 double final consonants are pronounced the same as the second final consonant sound. Just remember K and P. This double final consonant is pronounced like K. You can ignore the R sound. Next one is pronounced like M. You can also ignore the R sound. This one is pronounced like P. You can ignore the R sound. Aside from these 3 double final consonants, the rest of them are pronounced with the first consonant sound. I'm going to explain about these 3 double final consonants first with example words. First example word, 닭, 닭. We learned about K and P sound. This is pronounced with the K sound, which means chicken. Next one is 점, 다, 점, 점. This is pronounced with an M sound among the K and P sound, which means young. This one is 읍, 다, 읍. It's pronounced with an P sound among the K and P sounds, which means recite. Though the 7 double final consonants are pronounced the same as the first final consonant. I will divide them into 3 parts with a blue colored pencil. If you remember K, L, B, N, L, 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 K, L, B, N, L, 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 it will be easy to study those double final consonants. Let's get started. First one is pronounced with the K sound. 넉, 넉, which means soul. Next one is pronounced with an L sound. 골, 골. You can ignore the 시옷 S sound, which means waterway. This is pronounced with an B sound. 값, 값, which means price. Next one is pronounced with an N sound. 앉다, 안, 안, which means sit. Next one is pronounced with an L sound. I will give you 3 seconds. You can guess how to pronounce this word. Yes, you are right. 여, 덜, 덜, which means 8. Next one is pronounced with an L sound. 할, 타, 할, 할, which means lick. The last one, how to pronounce this word? 싫다, 실, 실, pronounced with an L sound, which means hate. Learning double final consonants is not easy, but when you are confused about whether it is pronounced with the first or second final consonant, just to remember K and P, K, L, B, N, L, L, L. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel.